Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start with a scalar function f of x and y or more variables. Compute partial derivatives delta f slash delta x and delta f slash delta y using standard differentiation rules. Form the gradient vector by arranging partials as components inside angle brackets. In 2D, write f equals delta f slash delta x, delta f slash delta y, and in 3D include delta f slash delta z. Evaluate each partial at the point of interest to get numeric components. Interpret the gradient as the direction of choose coordinates that match the variables in your scalar function f, x, y before differentiating. In 2D, compute delta f slash delta x and delta f slash delta y and combine them as delta f slash delta x, delta f slash delta y. For functions f, x, y, z, include the third partial delta f slash delta z for a 3D gradient. When functions use polar or spherical coordinates, convert formulas appropriately before taking partials. Always evaluate the partial derivatives at the target point to obtain numeric gradient components for use in applications. Remember that the gradient points in the direction of fastest increase, and its magnitude gives the rate of change. Use the gradient dot a unit vector to compute the directional derivative along that unit vector. For optimization, find where f equals 0, 0, and then test those points with second derivative or Hessian methods for classification. In physics, relate gradient to force fields by using minus gradient for potential-driven forces. Practice with concrete functions to build reliable computation habits and intuition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.